right here. Here we go. Awesome. It's not too rough actually. Relatively smooth and laminar. There's a few little bumps. He's active. I can see him working hard. Yeah, I can see it working. Drone, down there, pretty good, real stable. Yeah, pretty awesome. He's bumped around a little bit, but it's a big wing, right? Pretty incredible to be going. Whoa, there's a good one. Going straight up behind the drone. So that's like 75 yards or meters behind the drone, and the drone looks pretty big still from right here, and it doesn't look super far away. Pretty incredible. Yeah, this is freaking incredible. Wow. This is pretty much an elevator ride right now. Get this out here a little bit. Whoa! Pretty sick, y'all. This is the future right here.